Lobster grilled cheese on croissants. Croissants themselves are so delicious, but to make them even better, stuff them with seafood and cheese smashed in garlic butter. Oh, you guys are gonna love this just as much as I do. Let me show you how. Years ago, I made a lobster grilled cheese just like this, but recently I've been seeing it made in between smashed croissants. So I knew I had to make this on the Blackstone. Today we've got our Blackstone E-Series 17-inch. Rocking inside, we're gonna preheat this to 325. This one is so fast and easy. I love using muenster cheese when it comes to any kind of grilled crab melt or grilled lobster melt. We'll shred this up by hand. This way it melts so much better than the bag stuff. We've got some cooked lobster claw meat and of course our croissants. I'm taking a shortcut using Kerrygold garlic butter. This makes things even faster. Before we start cooking, we're gonna mix together a little bit of Dukes Mayo, which is my favorite, and one of my other favorite things, Old Bay. If you've never had Old Bay, you've gotta try it. It's one of my favorite seasonings when it comes to seafood. We'll mix a little bit of the two together, and now we're ready to drop down our butter, our garlic Kerrygold butter. Onto one side of our griddle, we'll drop down all of our lobster meat just to reheat this. We'll drop down a little bit more butter. Then our croissants go top and bottom side down into that butter. We'll follow with a smear of our Old Bay mayo on one side, a big hefty handful of our shredded muenster cheese on both sides, and then we'll grab our lobster that's been tossed and cooked in our garlic butter, pile it high onto each one of these croissants. Now to sandwich these together. And now for the fun part, let's smash these down with our spatula. These are looking exactly like my crappy melts, a fun old recipe video that you can go back and watch. I love watching these cook. The E-Series is very forgiving when it comes to grilled cheese, so these can really hang out for quite some time without any worry about burning. You can see all of that muenster cheese melting. I love the way the lobster claws peek out of these. Sean, get a close-up of that. How cool is this? We'll give these a flip, adding a little bit more butter to our griddle surface. This way both sides soak up all of that flavor. I'm gonna go over the top with a little bit of dried parsley. To do what, Sean?
Zhuzh it up.
You gotta zhuzh it up. Make it look beautiful. These might not be the prettiest, but once we plate these, I can't even wait to dive into them. I don't care what they look like. I know these are gonna be good. I literally, I can't even wait for you to get your pictures. Like I'm sorry, I'm taking a bite. Lobster might be my favorite thing. Every year my taste buds change. This year it's lobster. These are so good. You guys have to make these. I cannot wait to see you guys enjoying these at home just as much as I did, just as much as Sean is. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty. Go make yourself a grilled cheese with or without lobster, but I'm telling you, this is where it's at. Yeah, it's good.